Hello, in this video we will show how to integrate Sku Grid via Google Sheets. For example, if you manage orders in Google Sheets and want to pull Sku Grid's data automatically, this would drastically reduce your time to process an order. We already have a Sku Grid account with a single item that was used in previous videos for Shopify and Zapier demonstrations. Let's create new Google spreadsheet. And as an example, let's say we manage orders here and got a new order for the item that we have in the Sku Grid. Now we want to get product information from the Sku Grid. Let's go to the Sku Grid's API page. We will need to use the API key. It is different for every account. And we will use method for fetching item data. Let's test it out. Enter our API key and one sample item that we have in the Sku Grid. Make sure the API key got pasted without any spaces. Click Execute and check out the results. For the integration with Google Sheets, we will need to use XML or CSV format. Let's choose type as XML. Click Execute again to see if we got everything. Okay, now we can just copy the generated request URL and use it in Google Sheets. We will use function called import XML. For the first parameter, enter the URL that we copied, and for the second parameter you can enter path to the item, which is / followed by the word item. This will import all of the information and will spread it across the following columns. If you don't want to get everything, you can choose specific fields. For example, we want just supplier URL and supplier price. Let's add to this path one extra slash and type in supplier_URL. Okay, as you can see we got the supplier URL. Now let's repeat the same for the supplier price. We just need to enter supplier underscore price instead of supplier underscore URL. All of the variables names you can look up in the XML output on the Sku Grid's API page. Now we want this to be dynamic, so that it will work with any new orders. Let's replace the static value of our item ID in the request URL to be automatically substituted to whatever is in column A. Move in type equals XML before the end reprice underscore Sku equals, delete the current item number and use concat function to append the item number from column A to the URL. Do the same for the price and let's test it out with the new item. We will add a second item to Sku Grid and test if it will load up in the Google spreadsheet. Okay, got all of the information. Now to make it all look nice, let's add if statement that would only do the call if column A contains some item number by using function isBlank. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.